Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 5 best Canon DSLR cameras available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 Canon DSLR cameras. Number 1. Canon EOS 5D Mark III. Compared to previous models, the Mark III has the benefit of faster shot-to-shot times, dramatically improved autofocus, superb metering, and substantial upgrades to its video performance. It handles better, shoots faster, offers more control, and is better suited to all kinds of still and video applications. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional whose livelihood depends upon a camera, this is a solid choice. Number 2. Canon EOS 1DX. With the 1DX, Canon created a superb, professional DSLR that's as capable as it is versatile. It's a multimedia powerhouse that's firmly entrenched in the professional territory and that shows in the photos and videos we shot. It produces beautiful images, and whether you shoot stills or video, studio models or wildlife, the 1DX has features to make your job easier. It isn't cheap, but it's well worth the price of admission. Number 3. Canon EOS 7D Mark II. This is a camera geared towards chiefly advanced shooters and professionals in need of an affordable, compact DSLR with pro-style features. It has the build quality and durability of a prosumer camera and the autofocus system and extensive control that only Canon's top-shelf DSLRs offer. If you're serious about shooting sports, news, or wildlife, the 7D Mark II is a great first choice for breaking into the industry. So get your brand new product mentioned. Check the links in the description box below. Number 4. Canon EOS 5DS. Canon's 5D series has long been a go-to for professionals across the globe. The 5DS takes what we love about the 5D Mark III and upgrades it with new, faster processors and a megapixel full-frame sensor. But while its increased resolution will be a boon for studio and landscape shooters, this isn't the filmmaker's dream that previous 5DS were. If photos are your game, this is the pro-grade DSLR to beat. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T6. Canon's Rebel lineup was stuck in time for the past few years, but that's changed thanks to the new T6S and T6i. The two DSLRs have the same 24.2 megapixel image sensor, providing a boost to image quality over past Rebels. The T6S go furthest, adding a second control dial and a status LCD. The result is a camera that's beginner-friendly, but also a great stepping stone on the path to a true professional DSLR. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So these are the best Canon DSLR cameras, which you can buy in this year. If you know any other Canon DSLR cameras, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.